Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you something different than usual. In today's video, I am sharing a home decor idea. If you want to see how I achieved this, keep on watching. Please make sure to like, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. Help me get my first 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2020. So for this project you will need the followings: your paint. I have gold and black. Your paint brush or brushes, I'm using only one because I'm using a spray gold color. Your tape, blue tape. This is just the ruler to stir the paint, so you don't necessarily need that. Gloves, of course, and something to wipe before you paint. So I'm gonna first wipe it with something wet and then I'm gonna dry it. So first I'm gonna wipe my tables. Make sure the surface is clean. So I have decided, I think it will be best for me to spray paint first before I paint the top. I'm gonna see how that goes. So I have here my rust, whatever that is, metallic, and the color is gold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this. I'm not wearing any mask, but it should be fine. Is there a way to spray this? I hope I have enough paint. I don't think I'm painting it right. The way it's coming now, I don't like the way it's looking. So that's how the gold is starting to look like. It's not the best. I would say that this spray is best on wood and not metal. And it's pretty windy today, so that might not help as well. I ran out of paint. I need to get more of the gold. I ran out, so I'm gonna finish this one. And I will need to stop at the store to get more for that. So let's go ahead and really, I don't even need the tape anymore because there's no point. I want it black and gold. I might do a second coat of gold once I get this another box or bottle for that one. I think I'm gonna do a second coat of gold. It's looking good. It's definitely looking good. It's looking the way I want it. Tomorrow after work, I'm gonna stop by and get the other one.